Welcome to Global Gourmet Delights. Today, let us cook an ordinary burger. Before running, we need to learn how to walk. There is no better lesson in cooking than common, everyday, ordinary, simple burger. It's great, and it's excellent start for more advanced burgery delights. First, we need ingredients, and those are half a kilo, 1 pound of sliced beef, quarter kilo, half pound of sliced steak, salt, hamburger buns, about 8 if you follow this guide, sliced tomatoes, torn lettuce, ketchup and mustard. Now, having all the ingredients, let us cook. Step 1. Beef and steak meat should be freezed over baking sheet until firm, about half an hour. Remember to cover baking sheet with parchment paper. Step 2. Use grinder to gradually grind meat slices. Don't overdo it though, gently at medium speed. Regrind grinded meat if necessary. Step 3. Having meat ready, use a grilling pan or a grill. Preheat your grilling tool and form meat into 2 cm 3/4 inch thick patties. Use salt on them, don't need to be modest here. Next, grill patties over high heat until meat gets browned outside, about 3 to 4 minutes per slice. Step 4. Slap grilled patties into buns. Add tomato and lettuce. Pour some ketchup and mustard into this bad boy. Step 5. Eat. We cooked. That's all. Bye bye, subscribe, bye bye.